Step 1. Open GitHub and log in. Go to github.com using your web browser. If you're not already logged in, sign in to your GitHub account. Step 2. Navigate to your repository. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your profile. On your profile page, click the Repositories tab at the top. From the list, open the repository you want to share. Also, if you want to share someone else's repository, simply open their repository directly. Step 3. Copy the repository link. Once you're on the repository page, you'll see a green code button near the top right. Click the code button. A drop-down will appear with different URL options: HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI. Under the HTTPS section, click the clipboard icon next to the URL to copy it. Alternatively, you can also copy the repository URL directly from the browser address bar. Step 4. Share the link. Now that you've copied the repository link, you can paste it anywhere in an email, a message, a document, or on any platform where you want to share the project. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily copy and share any GitHub repository link. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.